Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn how to use Autodesk Inventor to construct a 3D part model. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane. This will be the front view. Take the circle command. Select the center point. Make here a circle of diameter 50. Enter. Zoom out. Now finish sketch. Here take the extrude command and take here extrude of 75 mm. This will be a single direction extrude and press OK. OK. Now here go to origin, select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command once again. Make here a circle of diameter 30. Enter. From same center point make diameter 15. Enter. OK. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch once again. Take the line command and make a center line over here. Okay, till this point and escape. Select this line, make it construction, zoom in. Now here go to dimension. From this center line, this will be at a distance of 40 mm. Enter. And from this face, this will be at a center distance of 45. Okay. Now here take the line command and make one line here till this point and one line here and one line here. Okay, escape. Now here you can see this line is in green form and others are in blue. So this is not constrained properly. This is in moving form. When I drag this, this is moving like this. Okay. So to constrain it, go to tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line. Now this is fully constrained sketch. You can see here. Finish sketch. Take extrude command, select this profile and select this profile. Now here this is going in one direction. We want it from mid plane, so we will select symmetric. And here I will give a distance of 20 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay. Now I have made the top profile. Go to part 1. I have made this profile here. Now I am going to construct this profile and then this joining profile. Okay. Now here go back to the part 5. Select the YZ plane once again. Go to create sketch. And here take the circle command. Make here a circle of diameter 35. Enter. Now here go to line command. From this center point make a straight line. Escape. Select this line and make it construction geometry. Go to dimension. From this center line, this distance here will be of 100 mm. Enter. And from this face, this distance will be 45 mm. Enter. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude and here take a symmetric extrude and the distance of extrude will be of 60 mm and press OK. Okay. Rotate the profile and here select the YZ plane once again. Go to create sketch. Now we are going to construct the joining profile. Take the line command and we'll start from here till this point here straight, and we have a guiding line over here, the dotted line. Okay, so we'll drag the cursor till this point and make a joining profile and join these two profiles. Okay, now here go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, so this will be a starting point. Go to dimension, select this and select this edge. This will be a distance here of 10 mm. Enter. Select this face and select this line. Here also 10 mm. Enter. Okay. Now here go to the fillet command, or first go to fillet here. Okay, this is fillet. Take here a fillet of 12. Select this line, select this. Take here a fillet of 65. Select this line and select this. Exit. Okay. Now here go to offset command. This was offset command. Select this line and this line. We have moved the cursor downward. Click here and enter. Take here a distance of 10 mm. Enter. Okay. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. So here you can see this selecting the complete profile with this profile as well. You can see. Double click sketch 4. So when I drag this upward and from here also drag this outside, go to coincident, select this point, select this line, select this point, select this line. Finish sketch, go to extrude once again. Now here you can see two profiles. This is the first profile and this will be the second profile. We will select this inner, the bigger profile, and here we will take extrude of 10 mm, and this will be a symmetric extrude. Okay, press OK. Now here go to extrude 4, select sketch 4, turn on the visibility, go to extrude command once again, select this smaller portion and here take symmetric extrude and take extrude of 50 mm. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will be the final view. Now press OK. Okay, now we have all the profiles are been closed. Select sketch 4, turn off the visibility. Now we are going to make the cutting profiles. Okay, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command from the center point, make here a circle of diameter 35, enter. Take here rectangle command and take here a 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point over here and make a rectangle. Go to dimension, define here the width of 3 mm, okay, and the distance of 75 mm. Enter. Okay, and escape. So this should be a through all circle or the rectangle over here also. So here go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this. So this will be a straight now, aligned at the center. Now finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this rectangular profile and select this circular profile. Here we will flip the direction and this will be a through cut. You can just drag this outside and press OK. Okay. Now at bottom also we want one whole profile over here. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and here select the center point. Make here a circle of diameter 20, enter. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this inner circle, flip the direction. So this will be also a through cut. Press OK. Okay. So this will be the final profile. Now from here I will define the appearance. I have taken here the chrome polished. So this will be the final profile. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.